So today we are going to learn about how to use the if and else statements within the Java in jdoodle compiler. As it is the online compiler, so you can open it from the Google. Just write jdoodle.com within the Google and you will get open this window. Now there are a lot of languages and we will click on Java as we are using our Java language. So now there is a simple program which is already predefined, so like this. Okay, we will just cancel it out because it is some pre-built code. Okay, now in Java you have my class, that is one public class and one main function, void main function. At least there must be one void main function and one public class for complete program to run. And whatsoever you want to do, you must have to write within these parentheses. Okay, so now we will do our declaration. So we will declare an integer type variable int a is equal to 20. Okay, now we have defined a memory location with the name a. Now we can call it as variable. Now int data type is the data type of this variable, that whatsoever you want to store inside a, it must be of integer type, like this 20. And int b is equal to 70. Again the same thing, that is if you want to store anything inside this b variable, then it is int. Okay, int b is equal to 70. Okay, now now we will write our if statement. Now we will write if a is less than b. Okay, a is less than b, then system dot out dot print ln. Okay, a is greater than, or a is less than b. Okay, a is less than b. Now how it used to work: if condition will check that whatsoever inside a is less than whatsoever inside b, and if it is true, if the condition is true, then our control will come inside if body. Okay, body of if means that this parenthesis and this closing parenthesis. So it will print, that is system.out.println will print that a is less than b. Okay, now we will execute it out. What they said, a is less system.out.println. Okay, wait, let me write system with capital S. Now it is right, a is less than b. You can see the output on the output window. Now if we want to write else condition, else means that if condition is not true. Okay, if the if condition is not true, then obviously the control will skip what is inside the body of the if statement, that is the compiler will skip this thing and it will go for else condition, like system dot print ln dot out a is greater than b, because either a is less or a is greater than b. Okay, so it will just execute else statement. First it will check if, and if it is not true, then it will go to the else condition and just print all this thing which is inside the body of this else command. Or okay, so now we will execute it out. Now we can see that it's okay, wait, it said system.out.println. Okay, so it is first it is out. Okay, system.out.println. Okay, so println We will execute it out, and now we will change the value of a is equal to 90. Okay, now condition first, that is this one become false. Okay, so now it says a is greater than b, because else statement going to execute is according to these values. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use the if else statements within the Java in the jdoodle.com compiler. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.